Howdy teacher friends, thanks for joining me. Today we are going to take a look at a free video editing software called OpenShot. All right, I get a lot of questions from people looking for a tool to edit videos, and I always have a different answer probably every time. This is going to be my new every time answer for that question, be it you want to assemble some kind of major video or you just need to trim the end off of a Google Meet recording. OpenShot is going to be your new solution for that, and the best thing about it is that it is going to be in the FileWave application program, which has this little FileWave icon down there in the bottom corner of your screen in the system icon tray. You'll be able to click on the little caret, the little arrow, to expand that and click on the FileWave icon. That's the two little red waves, and it will pop up this window where you can go to download and install OpenShot. Let's go ahead and dive in to OpenShot and learn a little bit about it. I've never messed with it before, so here, and there's my OpenShot right there in my recently added, but I may also need to scroll down with my mouse wheel to the O's till I get to OpenShot and open that up. Project files. Get started with your project by adding video and audio and image files here. Drag and drop from your file system. All right, that's easy enough. Timeline. Arrange your clips on the timeline here. Overlap clips to create automatic transitions. That's neat. Access lots of fun presets and options by right-clicking on clips. Okay. Video preview, watch your timeline video there. Export the video when we're done with the red button up there on the top. Okay. First thing I'm gonna do is go ahead and save my project that I'm gonna start. We've named our project. Let's go ahead and take a look at this file. So let's say we've got our video file here of Miss Gerber doing her Google Meet with her students.
Hey students, thank you so much for being online with me today, and it was such an
We'll notice when she gets to the end of her lesson here, she forgets that the Google Meet is still recording and goes and takes a personal phone call. So this is the kind of thing, you know, that I get emails about every now and then about, hey, can you trim the end off of this Google Meet recording? So we're going to take a look at that now.
Oh, yeah. Hey, thanks for waiting.
Oops.
Yes, oh yes, I needed to close up that meeting. Oh, really? Johnny again? Yes, that young man can be quite a character at times. Oh yeah, I know his mother well. She's really lovely, but, you know, she can be quite disagreeable. Oh yeah, you're right. Oh no, you can't be saying that. Oh, I have to go. I gotta stop. This is still recording. I have to go. I'll call you back later.
Dun dun dun! Has this ever happened to you? All right, so let's take a look at how we're going to fix that. We're going to fix this problem by editing that video with our OpenShot video editing tool. So let's go ahead and grab our video file, and we are going to drag it and drop it over here into our files. And then we're going to put it down here on our video timeline. And we are going to pull the mouse through here till we get to the point where her video starts and stops. There you go. We see her picking up the phone. Notice when I hit play, it's moving incredibly slow. It's not going full speed, and if I click forward button, it picks up its regular pace. All right, so there goes Miss Gerber picking up her phone. She just said goodbye to her class. Let's drag this back a little. So we're gonna go over here and grab these scissors, and we are gonna put a line right there. Snip that. Let's see now, if we right click on this, no. So let's unclick the scissors. Got our tool back. We're going to right click on that, and we're going to remove the clip. So now we have removed that end off of Miss Gerber's video clip. Save our progress. You know what? She's got a little bit on the beginning we want to trim off also, right? As Mr. Brown transitions out of the scene is where we want her video to actually start at. So I'm going to go back to the scissors again, clip that, unclick my scissors, right click on that beginning part and remove the clip. Click and drag this back to the front now. So now we have reduced that 2-minute video down to, we've got this all trimmed the way we want it. We're going to go up here and hit the red button to export. We're going to browse and make sure we get this going into our videos folder where we want it. We could change the name here if we wanted to. We want it to be HD 720. I'm going to hit export video. And it's flying. All right, we're going to click done. we will go ahead and go back to our folder system here and go to videos. And here's our OpenShot testing video.
Hey students, thank you so much for...
Excellent. So we trimmed off the beginnings and the end of that, and of course we could make cuts and everything in the middle if we wanted to. Pretty cool. It is in your FileWave app store on your desktop PC where you can download and add it for free. I'm a fan, recommending OpenShot.